contextual search engine. So I can basically create a prompt like this. What are the most important keywords for this text? And I can say the context, which is gonna be a page or a file that you're looking at. Then I can say it's searching in the context. It's using that. It's not about code, data, or text. It is about text in this case, and it's my favorite. I want to add it as my favorites, which means it's gonna be appearing on the menu. So let me show you. So now, for example, we might have this file, for example, or maybe this one is a bit longer. So that one could be very interesting to see if it can find the keywords. So I just click there because it's immediately there in the menu. And yeah, I just thought this could be a very interesting use case for this, and it seems that it does so pretty well. So I think that this is super useful to index, basically create a better understanding of what is inside of files, because you need way less data now to create an index for your files, which will be very useful for searching, right? If you can also categorize these things and create a hierarchical representation of it, maybe that may be very, very insightful and very useful for search systems, I guess. So yeah, that's just one of the use cases, of the many use cases that I'm exploring now. Hope you like it. Hope you find it interesting. And if you wanna talk more about ChatGPT, feel free to contact me. I'm very interested to find others that are also working on this kind of stuff.